Hello, orchid enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Neostylis, a captivating and unique orchid genus that adds a touch of exotic beauty to your orchid collection. But before we embark on this full adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of orchids. Neostylis is a genus of orchids, and its species are often hybridized for cultivation. They are not naturally occurring orchids in the wild. Instead, they are man-made hybrids created by crossing different orchid species to produce unique and desirable characteristics. Neostylis orchids are appreciated for their vibrant and long-lasting flowers, often in shades of blue, purple, and white. One unique fact about Neostylis orchids is their resilience and adaptability to indoor growing conditions, making them suitable for orchid enthusiasts and indoor gardenings. These orchids thrive in bright indirect light, making them ideal for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. They prefer well-draining orchid potting mix and should be watered when the top inch of the mix feels slightly dry. Proper humidity levels are crucial for their growth, so consider using a humidity tray or room humidifier. Companion plants for Neostylis orchids should share similar care requirements such as humidity and light levels. Consider pairing them with other orchids such as Phalaenopsis or Dendrobium hybrids, which thrive in similar conditions. Additionally, ferns like the maidenhair fern or tropical houseplants like bromeliads can complement Neostylis orchids and create an attractive indoor garden display with varying textures and colors. In conclusion, Neostylis is a captivating and unique orchid genus that can elevate the beauty of any orchid collection. Their stunning blooms and relatively manageable care requirements make them a popular choice for orchid lovers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of orchids. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your orchid collection flourish and may your Neostylis orchids grace your living space with their unique charm and elegance. Farewell and happy orchid growing.